Learn ancient to modern names in India. Ancient name, modern name. Patliputra, Patna, Purushapura, Peshawar in Pakistan. Saketa, Ayodhya, Prayag, Prayagraj, Bhagyanagar, Hyderabad, Madras, Chennai, Bombay, Mumbai, Calcutta, Kolkata, Baroda, Vadodara, Rajagriha, Rajgir, Ujjaini, Ujjain, Kaveri Pupattinam, Pumpuhar, Tamralipta, Tamluk, Taxila, Takshasila in Pakistan, Mahabalipuram, Mamallapuram. Thank you.